Last year sometime, I reviewed the Esee Izula, which was donated to the channel by Cool Bro Hedden. Since then, I have bought or traded for other larger Esee knives. Also, someone pointed out that one of my measurements was for the Izula 2 and not the original Izula, so thanks to that guy. And I think I may try my hand at whittling something that people on Instagram thought looked like a sex toy or a piece of poop, depending on how the light hit it. Why not both? I'm going to really earn that thumbs down this time. Well, in order to make the knife a little more tolerable for regular size handed bros like myself, I decided to purchase some new extended handle scales that cost about half the price of the knife, because apparently I have nothing better to do with my money. These are available at online retailer The Knife Connection only. So let's dimension it up with the correct dimensions, crossing our fingers this time, like the overall length and weight. I will give old dimensions in parentheses when appropriate. The handle scales cover up the loops. Blade length and cutting edge. That's stayed the same, of course. So that's cool. This is an abbreviated overview. Watch the full review of the Izula that I did for more thoughts. Handle size, grip area. A big improvement. It makes the knife easier to handle, especially when whittling your sex toy or piece of poop. Spine thickness, handle thickness. Of course, the spine thickness would be the unchanged here. The scales are available in multiple colors. I chose the best matching colors for mine, or color. There's some pretty blue ones. So the new scales are about $35 to $50. I was hoping there were micarta scales, but there ain't. Just G10, and the bottom of the handle isn't perfectly flush with the tang. Functionally in my hand, I do not feel it though, but I know that many times knife guys fret over details that overall do not affect the performance of the knife, like this guy on my Benchmade Mini Crooked River review, but it affects the resale value when you flip it. A very serious consideration for hand tools. I think the scales overall are more comfortable than the original, mainly because they don't seem like lumpy afterthoughts. Esee, if you're watching this, you know I love you guys. But also that gives them an opportunity to maybe offer extended micarta scales similar to these. I know the way you manufacture them is different, so maybe they're easier set up, the Knife Connection, and won't eat into their profits when they make aftermarket scales for their knives, whatever. The scale kit comes with new screws and Allen keys, both essential to make these work and fit properly. All in all, a worthwhile upgrade for smaller, finer campsite tasks not batoning related. Here it is next to my SC3. You can see the handle grip area is almost as long now. For small carving tasks, there is an advantage to a small blade and a large handle. It feels easier and safer even than the SC3. I'm not saying it is, but maybe it just feels that way. I carved with this for, 45 minutes or an hour, and the part that hurt my hand the most was the wood and not the actual knife. No blisters. I'll link the scales I got below, but there are many pretty sassy color options that fit the flares of your personality, so do whatever you want. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, baton that like button. If you're using the larger Esees. Watch some of my other Esee videos linked below. I got some, the Izula. We'll put up the Junglist 2 here. Donate to my Patreon if you like the content, and if you don't, well, thanks for watching the whole video anyway.